Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going on a little thrift store adventure and I thought it would be fun to take you with me, so let's go. This looks so cozy, cute. This is €2. This one caught my eye because it is so pretty, and it is €2.25. So I am going to show you, hi Evie, I'm going to show you what I got in the thrift store. And the first thing, if I can get it out, is this little book stand thing, and it was only 45 cents. I have another one of this, and this is so fun to put a book in there and just look at the pages. And the next thing I got is this Flintstones card game thing, and it says it's complete. And I don't know how the inside looks, but I just really love the Flintstones. Is it taped up? Yeah, okay. Wait, I'm going to remove the tape a little bit so I can show you what's inside. Okay, so I cut it open, and this thing was $1.75. Ooh, okay, wait. In here, and I don't know if I want to play with it or I can put it in a little frame or something, but I think this is really fun. So for the next thing, I've got this little book, and this is not for me, but I know my mom collects these. It's Papa, and this one was €1.65, and they say that if you buy it new, it was €16.50. I don't know if I believe that, but I think this is a pretty good deal for this one. And it's just a little bit of the drawings, a little bit of story. And the woman behind the register said that the second children's book was for free. So I went back and I got this one. It's Donald Duck, and together with Chip and Dale, and they're going to have some adventures together in a sailing boat. And I just really love these drawings. And again, I don't know, maybe I'm going to frame some of them because I really like them. And this one was €1.60, and they say that new it was €8. So for me it was free. And this is the whole haul, and I'm going to get the receipt. Let me see, blah 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 blah. And the full price, I paid €3.85 for this. Now, thank you so much for coming with me on this little thrift store adventure, and I really hope you liked it, and hopefully I will see you next time. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Was agressief.